a great day and thank you for being here with me. My name is Janet Zambrano. For subscribe to this channel, go ahead and do that. But I am ultimately here to talk about the giveaway that is going on in my blog. My blog was launched already this February and I have not made any promotion of this giveaway whatsoever. So I'm here making this video and telling you the only thing you gotta do is go to aLatinaBlogs.com and then a little box is gonna pop up where all you have to do is put in your email. You don't have to follow me on social media. You don't have to follow me here. You don't have to follow me anywhere. The only thing you have to do is put your email there, and I will be selecting 2 winners in a month. Okay, so that is, I'll put the date right here because right now I'm kind of lost of like where am I in this year because the year is flying by. The things that I will be including for each of the winners is a shirt that says a pretty cool quote. Also, this little bag is gonna have a lot of my favorite makeup products and also a little bag for traveling, like a side bag, and then something for your passport, for you to put your passport. I think that was it, but I will be putting the pictures like around this screen so you guys can see exactly what's part of the giveaway. Anybody could enter, doesn't matter where you live. So yeah, just make sure to go and put in your email address, and that's the only thing I need because that's gonna be the way I'm gonna contact you if you do win. This is definitely gonna be just a separate schedule from what I have planned for here for YouTube. I will kind of be posting a little bit more or go in depth about more stuff over there that has to do with beauty, travel, lifestyle. So definitely you don't want to miss out on any blog posts. There is already blog posts there. There's like a few actually that talk about tips to travel more and not spend so much money, of the options you have when you travel. So they're very interesting. I mean, not just because I wrote them, but you let me know in the comments and stuff like that if you go read them. Well, yeah, this is pretty much all I wanted to tell you guys.